So first you will visit this website, then you will select this project, and then you will be able to earn this much money simply by just reading words. Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you exactly how to earn money by reading words. With this strategy, you can earn around $2,000 simply by reading words online. This method is also available worldwide. I'll be explaining every single step in detail so you can begin doing this yourself and start to earn money after you've finished watching this video. You'll be seeing the exact amount you can earn and see how simple this process really is. If you close out of this video, you will regret missing out on this amazing opportunity, so make sure to stick around. But before we begin, if you need more information on how to make more money online, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. It's my #1 recommendation, so be sure to check it out. So the website you'll be using today is called Voicescom, and you can see here how much money you can make with this method. You can earn so much here simply by reading, and literally anyone can do this. You don't need any technical skills or related experience at all. And you can see right here, with just 45 to 60 minutes of work, you can earn between $1,500 and $2,499. So let's make a safe assumption that it'll take 60 minutes or 1 hour, and then the average of $1,500 and $2,499 is about $2,000. So we would then do $2,000 divided by 60 minutes, which equals $33.33 per minute every single minute. So if you do this for an hour, you can make $2,000. And I'll show you exactly how to do this, but you have to make sure that you watch this entire video all the way until the end. I'm going to share with you my specific strategy when doing this, how to sign up, and how to make the most amount of money with the least amount of time. It's important to not skip any steps in this video because a lot of people do this incorrectly and don't make any money as a result. So let's begin. The first step I'd like you to do is head over to voices.com. Once you get to this website, it will look something like this. And this website functions where they will provide you with several different types of projects in different categories. And I'll be revealing to you which category will pay you the most money. After you've chosen a project, Voices.com will then provide you with all of the resources like the script, the templates, books, anything that includes the words that you will be reading where you will record your voice and they will pay you according to the length of the project. So like I mentioned previously, you could earn $2,000 if you read and recorded for 1 hour. But you could also do it for just a few minutes and still get paid accordingly. You can read however long you want. There are also an unlimited number of different jobs on this website that you can choose from yourself. It's the perfect side hustle to get extra work because you can do it whenever you want and however long you want. So now you're probably thinking to yourself that you don't have a microphone. There's no need to worry because you can just use your own phone. So if you have an iPhone or Android or any other smartphone, this will work for you very well. You also won't be required to show your face or reveal your identity. All you need to do is record your own voice. This website wants a variety of real voices for their projects. Okay, so now I want to show you how to sign up for an account, how to get approved and verified, and then I'm going to show you how to discover the best project that will pay you the most amount of money. So the first thing I want you to do is go up to the top right-hand side of the page and click on where it says Sign Up. After you click on that, this pop-up will appear where you can either enter an email of your choosing, or you can just sign up with Google or Apple. Next, you will have 2 different options to choose from. You will either hire for a project or work as a freelancer. You will select work as a freelancer because you will be the voice actor reading out the words. And then you will just put in a bunch of personal information and click this button here. After you've signed up and created your account, you will see that there is a wide variety of different categories to choose from. I'm going to show you which category has the most available jobs and are accessible for complete beginners for people who work all around the world in any country. So the category I want you to choose is the audiobooks category. You will earn a lot of money in this category. The category you want to select second is the explainer video category, where you will get paid the second most amount of money. And then the third category I recommend you choose is the video games category. Just focus on these 3 categories as they are the ones that will pay you the most and include the highest number of different jobs. So I'm going to click on audiobooks to show you. So here we can see that there are dozens of people, both men and women, from all over the world who are making money from voiceovers through Voices.com. If you look on the left-hand side, you will also notice that there is a category with different languages that you can choose from, allowing people from many different nations to do this themselves. So it doesn't matter where you live or what language you speak, they will provide many jobs for you. And you can just continuously refresh this page to get new gigs every day. So if we scroll through this, you will notice that there's a wide variety of different jobs that you can choose to work in. and it'll show you how much you will get paid right here. So when you select the audiobooks category and are finished reading the books, you will then be given all of the scripts and templates. You will then just have to read and record, submit your recording, and you will get paid. When you select a job, you will be given the client's information like their age, gender, and their work requirements they expect you to fulfill. They will give you the script that they want you to read for free. So you can download this on your phone too if you'd like, as it's an app as well. You can get the app either with your iPhone or your Android. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another great way to make money online, check out this video right here.